Hey guys, today I am so excited. Today I'm going to be trying the Dry Bar heated rollers. I am so excited. So this video is actually a day late because yesterday I had, it was just crazy yesterday, so I ended up posting today. So I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That would help my channel out a lot if you would subscribe and like today's video. Now let's get into the heated rollers. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just brush out my hair. I have tried these rollers once before, and I think I did it a little bit wrong. I think I did it on wet hair, kind of like 85% dry maybe, and it didn't really curl that well. So this time I'm actually doing it on day 3 hair, and I do have a little bit of dry shampoo in my hair as well, but yeah. So let's start with the hair products. So I'm going to go in first with the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Texture Spray. I'm just going to spray this in the roots. I don't exactly know how to spray this in the head. I mean, I know I'm supposed to do it in the root, but I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, that looks crazy. I'm just going to brush it through. And then for the lengths of the hair, I'm actually going to go in with the Bumble thickening Go Big Plumping Spray, just on the lengths. And I'm doing this while I let the rollers are plugged in and are cooling right now. So, and of course we need a heat protectant. So I'm going to take the Redken thermal spray. I really do love this hairspray. I mean, heat protectant. Probably the best one I've ever. Now I can brush that out. And it is a little bit wet. I'm gonna just let that dry a little bit before we go in and curl. Oh, and it comes in with this really cute Dry Bar bag, which I think is awesome. And, oh yeah, and it came with a couple of these Dry Bar products. I'm going to be using this hairspray later, if you can see it. I don't know. And we have the little clips that it comes with as well. So let's actually start with the bangs. So I'm gonna section off some hair, or section out the bangs, and then just brush that through. I'll take a smaller one that's kind of almost one that's already heated. There's a little indicator, like a little light here, showing that it is ready to be, or that it is heated. So I'm going to go this way towards my face, and then kind of tuck in the ends, and then and try not to drop them. And the other thing I noticed with these, it's a little harder to roll them. Like, I have been used to the Velcro rollers, and it's so much easier to roll. It's obviously Velcro. That's okay. Okay, now this one is ready to be clipped. I don't know which way to clip them though. Okay, I think that is good. Look here, I missed a little bit of the bang. There we go, that's a good wrap. I'm gonna just do it like that. These are definitely a lot heavier than Velcro rollers when they're on. That's okay. So I'm going to take another section on the top of the head. Oh, I had just a little bit more hair. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing, but this time, actually, let's still take smaller rollers. And I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Okay, we can clip that. Was a good section of hair after I took it out. Or a little bit of it out. Okay. I'm actually only going to do 2 sections on the top, and then everywhere else. Let's start on the left side. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to clip up this side. I do like to use one of the clips just to clip it up for now, and then we can use it when we get to that. So I'm going to start, I guess, still using the smaller ones. I don't know yet, like, which section or what size I like for, like, the top of my head and the bottom of my head. I haven't really decided yet. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing, just wrapping it, tucking in the ends, wrapping it up. The sides are always the hardest part for me to wrap because it's, actually, you know what? Let's go the other way. I wanted to go this way so there's more volume. Alright, that one is on. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the rest off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished this side. Now I'm going to go on to the right. I have, oh no, it keeps falling. I think it's okay if it falls like that. I mean, the curl is still in there. It's still like, I'm gonna do pretty much the same exact thing to the other side and let my light charge. Yeah. I have one piece of hair left, and I actually turned on my mirror light, so it's a little bit better, I hope. I don't know. Okay, so we have one last large roller that I'm just going to roll up on this bottom last section. That was a little messy, so I'm going to... Ow, that's really hot. Okay, and then fix a couple of these. Just kind of re-clip them while I let this entire roller set just cool down for a little bit, and then we can take them out after they cool down. So I can't wait any longer, so I'm going to take them out now. So let's do it. I have my hairspray ready. I'm going to use the Dry Bar Hot Toddy. Oh, this is the heat protectant. Well, I don't know where my other Dry Bar hairspray is, so I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued hairspray instead. Okay, let's do it. Whoa, yeah! We're just gonna separate this a bit. So I'm gonna go in the direction, or taking them out and how we put them in. This side could have been a little bit better, and again, this was my second time doing this. I didn't really do it well the first time. I'm going to now hairspray it with the Got to Be Glued hairspray. In the eye. And now the hair is done. I still do really, really like it. It turned out okay. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you guys in the next one. Bye!